Steve Johnson, General Manager from Kut Kwick, and today we're going to talk about proper blade adjustment and height adjustment on your MegaSlopeMaster MSM T4.
The deck height is controlled by moving the front of the deck up or down at the front of the machine. The first step is to place a floor jack under the deck at the front. Next, loosen these 4 bolts, 2 on the left and 2 on the right. Do not remove the bolts. Once loose, use the floor jack to raise or lower the deck to the correct height. After the correct height has been found, retighten the 4 bolts and you're ready to go mow.
Thanks for watching, and if you have any further questions, feel free to give us a call or check us out on the web.